Alright. Yes, sir. I'm Simon. Right, the Logitech MX Master. First generation. Is it still worth it in 2018? So I bought this 2 days ago. I've been testing it yesterday and today, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed by this mouse. I didn't have a professional mouse before, and this is the first professional mouse I've ever used. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of the mouse. So of course you have the left and right button, then you have the scrolling wheel, which is very cool. As you can see, it keeps scrolling. You can change this in the settings, but it's pretty cool in my opinion. So you also have this button which changes the scrolling wheel features, and then you have the scroll, the horizontal scroll, the back and forward button, and this is also a button. This clicks as well. And then on the back you of course have the power mode, and this is the 1, 2, 3. As you can see, if you already saw a review of this, then you probably know what this is. Well, this is for changing the computer. So if 1 is, for example, your MacBook, 2 can be your Windows computer. So very cool, very nice idea. The main reason why I bought this is for editing, and I have to say, it's amazing. Really, it is. I wasn't expecting a mouse to be this good, but it just feels very ergonomic. It feels very good in the hand, and it just works perfectly and seamlessly with my MacBook Pro. Because the main problem is with MacBook Pro, you have to connect a USB dongle and stuff to connect your mouses, and I really hate that. And this is just via Bluetooth, and it works very well. And there's also dedicated software for the mouse as well on Mac, which is very cool. I turn on the mouse, and it's already there, as you can see. So very quick, very nice, very easy to work with. So in my opinion, the best features about this mouse is the horizontal scrolling, especially when you're in Premiere Pro, for example. You can scroll horizontally through the timeline, which is a blessing on this mouse. So as you can see, I can scroll horizontally through the timeline when I just do this. So that's actually pretty neat when editing, perfect for me. I already mentioned that there is dedicated software. As you can see, this is the dedicated software, so you can change the programs it uses for. So for example, I use Adobe Premiere Pro a lot, and I can change the configurations of the buttons for Adobe Premiere Pro in its whole. So only for Adobe Premiere Pro, which is very cool. You can change all the buttons, what it does, what these do, how fast it scrolls. This is just a mouse, but this is more than just a mouse. This is a master mouse. Overall, would I recommend this? Of course, it's a bit pricey, around $80, but still, if you're looking for a good mouse, a very good mouse, a first-class mouse for your editing, and you want to step up your game, then don't look for cheaper things. Go for the Logitech MX Master, because it's still very good. It's a bit outdated because there's already a new version out, but I really love it, and I wouldn't suggest any other mouse right now. So all the reviewers were right. It's a very good mouse. Alright, if you enjoyed, subscribe for more content, and see ya.